Are you tired of dry skin, brittle hair, or lingering chlorine smell after every shower? Say hello to a spa-like experience at home. Today, we're reviewing the AquaHomeGroup Luxury Filtered Shower Headset, a 20+ 3-stage shower filter that transforms your water and your skin. This premium shower headset comes beautifully packed with everything you need: a high-output shower head, a powerful 20-stage filter cartridge, plus 3 bonus extras: Teflon tape, extra O-rings, and a replacement cartridge. What makes this filter stand out? It uses 20+ 3 stages of advanced filtration, including KDF 55, activated carbon, calcium sulfite, ceramic balls, and vitamin C. That means it removes chlorine, heavy metals, rust, and bad odors, while adding beneficial minerals. You'll feel the difference from your very first shower. The water feels softer, your skin is noticeably smoother, and your hair healthier and shinier. It's ideal for anyone dealing with hard water, especially in apartments or old plumbing systems. And the pressure? Surprisingly strong. Unlike many filtered heads, this one delivers high output thanks to its advanced design that doesn't sacrifice flow rate. Installation is tool-free and takes just minutes. Over time, you'll notice less soap scum buildup, clearer skin, and reduced irritation, especially for kids or those with eczema. It's truly a game changer for your daily routine. Ready to upgrade your shower game? Get the AquaHomeGroup Filtered Shower Headset today and experience the difference for yourself. Clean water, healthy skin, all in one easy step. Tap the link below to check it out now.